Hello and welcome to the DVC Shop YouTube channel. In this video, we're excited to bring you a room tour of one of the brand new resort studios at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. This is going to be a special video. We've spent the extra points for the theme park view, so stick around to the end of the video so we can show you how awesome the view of the fireworks show is right from the balcony. This new room type became available for DVC owners to book late last month and is located in the Big Pine Key building where Disney has converted previous hotel rooms into brand new DVC villas. The building itself has been completely renovated to feature a stunning new decor. When you enter the building, you're greeted with two seating areas atop this massive floral rug. You're going to see this floral pattern in the carpeting all throughout the building. You're going to see dark blue, teal, beige, and gold accents popping out everywhere you look. This is where you can access the swanky golden elevator, and of course, this room is complete with a huge centerpiece chandelier. When you enter the room, to the right you have a small kitchenette area as well as some floor-to-ceiling storage cabinets. The kitchenette area is complete with a microwave, coffee maker, mugs, and glasses. As well as in the top drawer, you'll find bottle openers, utensils, bowls, and everything you need to brew some coffee or tea to go. In the bottom cabinet, you have a beverage center that doesn't quite get as cold as the small fridge in the Deluxe studios, but is perfect for keeping those drinks cool. In the storage closet, you'll find robes, a handheld steamer, extra pillow and blanket, as well as your safe. As we enter the bathroom, you'll find his and her sinks with this gorgeous edge-lit etched mirror, and you'll have all the towels you need with the storage underneath the sinks. The bathroom does feature a magnified and lit mirror, and it comes with individual toiletries rather than, the wall-mounted ones that you might find on some of the other DVC villas. Heading into the water closet past a pocket door that can be closed and locked, you can find the shower over tub design comes with a rain shower head as well as a detachable wand. Normally I'm not a huge fan of gold, but I think they've pulled it off really nicely here. Going out to the main area of the studio, you'll have two queen-size beds, you have a comfy chair with a footrest on the left, and on the right you have a little area where you can get ready in the morning. Behind this area you can see a door to our side balcony. We only have that because we were given a corner room, so I don't believe all of the resort studios have that side balcony, but we'll show you that a little later. Oh, and inside that white box you do get a hairdryer. Turning our attention to the beds, there are a lot of little features to point out. First of all, you may notice these bed frames are a little higher than normal. You should be able to fit quite a lot of luggage under there. On each side of the bed, you get these cute little shelves to set your devices on as they charge. You'll get outlets on each side of the side table, and these outlets have the regular wall socket plus USB-A and USB-C ports, so even if you forget your charging brick, you're good to go. You've got built-in reading lights on each side of the bed, and there's the other charging shelf on the far side of the room. Directly across from the beds, you have the wall-mounted TV, a bunch of storage cabinets, and a pull-down sleeper sofa. You also get a couple outlets next to the sleeper sofa, and these also have those USB-A and USB-C ports. To set up the bed, all you have to do is find this black strap, you give it a pull, and the bed will roll into place. You can take those straps off, you have an extra pillow and blanket in the storage cabinets, and you're good to go. This bed puts the maximum occupancy of a resort studio at 5 guests. Now, let's take a look at that side balcony. This one has a regular swinging door, and our particular room gave us some great views of the other buildings at the Grand Floridian. Plus, there's a pretty nice view of the Polynesian Resort right on the other side of Seven Seas Lagoon. Now, let's head back inside and go through that sliding glass door so we can show you the main balcony. This is another great place to soak in some views of the Polynesian, and if you squint, you look far off in the distance, you can see Cinderella's castle. This shot is using about a 10x magnified zoom. Being on the lagoon, there's always something going on. I mean, you can sit on the balcony and see ferries taking guests back and forth, you can watch the electrical water pageant each night, and of course, you have the most amazing view of the fireworks right from your private villa. So if you'd like to see more exclusive high-res photos of this room, you can visit the first link in the description box below to see the companion article to this video. Also, if you'd like to know the differences between the Resort Studio and the Deluxe Studio, we have an excellent article on the DVC Shop website that compares their amenities, floor plans, points charts, everything. And that'll be the second link in the description box below. If you enjoyed the video, please leave us a like and consider subscribing to our channel and turning on those notifications. We make a ton of interesting videos that help you make the most out of your next Disney vacation, so we'd love for you to stick around and continue learning with us. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you have a very magical day.